Sozani zinjalo Sozani zalikazi Sozani bantu abahloniphekile. Ngisakhuluma noMamlambo Sompiso Somnandi ugawule esizweni olujabo mfethu. Ngithi guys-ke hhayi ngiwabonile amasotsha-ke ngimxoxele-ke hhayi ngiwabonile nje amasotsha ama-truck amakutukutu ayingakhi ayi-5 izolo uma ngiklinikhi. Hi guys, bathi kuzoba khona ne-looting. Ama-foreigner banamashophu nje bayongena door to door, abantu bayakhishwa ezindlini. Nkosi yami ngicela ukuthi ningalimazi iy'ngane zabo-squeezer bethu, hhayi bo, abo-Ghana, abo-Nigeria, abo-Malawi, abo-Zimbabwe, umhlaba wonke international, ama-foreigners, amaguduka. Guys, le ndaba le sengiphatha kabi serious because ibuhlungu in a way ukuthi bathi sebazongena ezindlini and then amashophu abanikazi ama-Pakistan abobani bani ama-China wena ma une-restaurant bathi nje kuzoba khona ne-looting kuyobe kugqekezwa. Kanti why udlame olungaka yini na Nkosi yami? Hhayi guys, angisathandi-ke mina manje. Laba abakhulelwe kuyokwenzakalani? Iy'ngane lezi ey'ncane lezi-ke phela abosisi bethu baney'ngane, hawu Nkosi yami, kanti why? Hawu shwele baba. Manje iy'ngane zoyenziwani-ke zona-ke kumele vele bahambe nazo baphume nasesikolweni. Hhayi guys, Ramaphosa no, state hhayi man. Yes, siyazi ukuthi imali iyashoda yantengantenga ye-tax ngoba futhi ne-SARS nayo ifuna 200%. So please guys, ningalwi kanjalo, maningalwi kanjalo. Maningalwi kanjalo guys, please asebelieve ngiyanicela. Hhayi ibuhlungu le nto eyenzakalayo yazi. Babizeni bonke amaphoyisa ngiyazi ukuthi azodla imali this year. Ngiyazi vele nje ukuthi hhayi si-rich ngamaphoyisa, si-rich ngamasotsha. Nkosi yami ngizozibambela isotsha mina this year. Hhayi nje ningathi sihlale ezindlini phela singasasebenzi, umsebenzi ungasaqhubeki ngoba nakhu nina nifuna ukuthatha imali yama-foreigner, ngoba nakhu amasotsha afuna ukugena something, imali, i-tax, la imali ekhushulelwe iy'ngane, isondlo sey'ngane. Siyazi phela ukuthi nifuna ukugcwalisa iy'mali state ngoba phela idizili nephethroli, platinum negolide nesiliva kwehlile kuyantengantenga. Nempahla iyantengantenga, impahla like they call it clothing, indwangu. So siyazi vele ukuthi vele njengoba nithi ama-foreigner ayaxoshwa vele nenze undercover yokuthi vele kumele kukhuphuke something njengoba ukudla kukhuphukile. Ukudla kuyadura guys and ucabange-ke uzothenga eshophu yomuntu omnyama. Umuntu omnyama uyadura guys, sizohlupheka yazi. Please guys, ngicela negotiate please. Ibuhlungu le nto yokuthi nizocindezela ama-foreigner. Ama-foreigner ayasisiza la guys, ayasiza. Abasey'bhedlela-ke ngoba sinabo-doctor baseCongo. Why guys? Sinabodokotela base-DRC la kuma-private hospital and public hospitals. Benze njani-ke bona-ke? Hhayi guys, I think again guys, it can't be, no. Labantu laba bayasiza lana eMzansi, imali ikhona la eMzansi, it's because labantu bangaphandle we gaining something, we profiting something. If bona labantu bangaphandle sebazohamba guys sizohlupheka yazi. Kanti why uRamaphosa azenza ulona umgabe manje? Hayi uRamaphosa ngiyayiza, Ramaphosa yekela ukuzenza umgabe please ne-states. Hawu manizoxosha ama-foreigner la sizolamba lana, sizolamba yibo. Yazi uthathe umuntu omnyama ne umbeke la, umuntu wala eSouth Africa, ubese uthatha uMalawi umbeka la both, and then bese ubuza uMalawi, umbuze uthi Malawi imali yokuthi ulungise imoto ufuna malini? uMalawi uzokutshela ukuthi ngifuna 1.5. Mara umuntu wala eSouth Africa ukuvula nje i-engine nje athi ulungise imoto, yazi ukuthi uzothi ufuna malini? Uzothi ufuna boma 6,000 phezulu or bama-10,000 ukulungisa imoto. But uMalawi uzovela akutshele kahle athi ne-1.5 ne-1,000 unganginika kancane kancane. So guys please ngicela ukuthi please bayekeleni labantu, yekelani ama-foreigners. Hawu okay, seningamane-ke ningakhuluma ngama-diesel vele ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi i-undercover ifuna ukubhadala. Amaphoyisa vele amele ahole kangcono, namasotsha amele ahole kangcono. Kahle kahle izinto vele ziyakhuphuka kahle kahle ngoba ukudla kukhuphukile, isondlo sabantwana is 580, kukhuphuke yonke into. So siya-understand-a ukuthi imali ayikho. So that's why ngifuna ukubamba amagoduka vele ukuthi vele bazodiza bakhiphe something better ukuthi umnotho we-South Africa uthuthuke. Kungcono kwenziwe njalo-ke kunokuthi nibaxoshe. Hhayi ngeke, ngiyavota. Hhayi mina futhi angivoti vele, azange ngavotela amasisimba vele, ngavotela ukuthi kune-T_B, ngavotela ukuthi kune-H_I_V eMzansi, ngavotela ukuthi siyafa, ngavotela ukuthi treatment angikaze ngavota vele. But manje kule voti leli elamanje leli engilikhulumayo, ngivota ngoba ngiyakhuluma live. Ngithi yekelani ama-foreigners. Ama-foreigners alethe ushintsho la eMzansi. Asilambi yonke into elula because nabo abahlalanga mahhala mos bahlezi bavuselela ama-aslam, bahlezi benza ama-passport. No, it's enough. I don't like what you're doing, guys. Let's do a debate. Okay, there must be a certain amount whereby foreigners azokhipha something to be not having a aslam, not to have a passport, at least sign an agreement with them to say, okay, every certain month there'll be a certain amount whereby foreigners azobhadala kangaka just because you don't have a passport, just because you don't have a aslam. I think it's better that way than for you guys to strike on them. At least like that. I-Home Affairs ivumelane nabo. Okay, yes nje kubhalwe black and white nge-ink nephepha, kufakwe istamp ukuthi okay, since us we are foreigners, because we don't have a passport and it's hard for us to go to our countries to go and renew our passport or aslam. So there will be a certain amount every month that we're going to be taking. If it's going to be 6 months, let it be 6 months. Let's debate this, guys, because we've got blood. Also them, they've got blood just like us, guys. No ways. Please siyacela sesibajwayele labantu abosisi bethu bala eSouth Africa, ama-Nigeria, ama-Ghana, ama-Zimbabwe, abo-Malawi. Guys, please don't do that. At least there must be a debate about, there must be something that they're going to issue, something that they're going to discuss, something that's going to go forward. Then for them to be like that, shoot to kill, undercover, whatever. No, guys, silambe thina, as we have to starve because bayahamba phela nayi RG iphuma eZimbabwe, guys. RG yona yodwa. So manje nithi mabahamba bahambe nama-product wabo, sidleni la eMzansi. Siyacela please, hayi ngodlama igabi ngiyikhulumela ngomama lami Sompisi Somnandi Gawulezizweni Luthaba Umhlonishwa inyanga yesizwe umhlaba wonke isonezwe ungozika. Please siyacela guys, please ngicela kukhulunywe kube i-debate. At least there must be a certain amount whereby bazoyidiscussa bayikhiphe ama-foreigner kunokuthi ama-foreigner akhishwe eMzansi. Guys, please come on. Ngiyacela, inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu, iyathinteka kakhulu ukuthi kuyogijima ama-soldier for ama-foreigner as if kunento embi abayenzile, as if they committed a crime. Let be South Africa be proud of our sisters, of our brothers here in South Africa as foreigners, please, because they are visitors, yes, but please guys, ningaze nikhipha amakutukutu, nikhipha ama-soldier just really as if they committed a crime. No guys, please, it's breaking my heart. It is breaking my heart. So please guys, ngiyacela siyacela u-government, ngiyacela ngicela ukuthi ehlise udlame, akhulume nabo athi okay, at least every year or every 6 months there'll be a certain amount whereby nizoyikhipha ngoba anenzanga ama-passport. Kunokuthi manje sebayagijimisa sekuyishoot to kill. Hayi sekumele singene ezindlini, sekumele abantu bathathele ukudla emashop, sekumele kuluthwe manje kugqekezwe amashop, abantu abasekho free eMzansi. No ways guys, please think again. Ngicela nje iParliament, Nkosi yami, ngiyacela guys, abantu nabo laba banegazi. Ayikho icrime abayikhomithile ukuthi ngaze kuphuma amasotsha umhlaba wonke. No ways guys, ngiyala. Abavumelana nami ngicela ama-comment, ngicela ama-likes. If you angithandi ngicela ungiblocke, ungidelete, uthathe ifoni yakho ufake emanzini, ungaphinde ngivele efonini yakho. Ngiyathokoza emakhosini. Sakhuluma nomama lami Sompisi Somnandi Gawulezizweni Luthaba Umhlonishwa ungozika isolezwe umhlaba wonke inyanga yezizwe. Thokozani Camagwini Camagusha. Ndithi nda awe option, thokozani emakhosini Camagu.